And he designed it, and he has processed more than 150 kilograms of chocolate, and he processed it together with his team. And you see, it tells the story about the harvest of cocoa beans. The plates, it shows the faces who are smelling at the... I would like to offer 2 pieces, of course, dark and the milk one. Thank you. Yes, please. You get them.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ist er ansigt.
Scan it on this platform for going in and out. You can go in and out as many times as you like. On 6 o'clock.
Oh, thank you.
I just get the one. That's our Läderach. We call it Läderach because there is that's a little village where we have our manufactory. And you can find out how we produce all these products. You just take a token like this, you put it on the table, and then you have inside our production. And you will discover that we really make a lot by hand, so we are really a manufacturer. You can do it yourselves, just choose it. You have also another possibility to discover. You can watch through the hole here, and then you are connected with Läderach, or you can press. Yes, now your spoon is very important. You pull at this little ball. And don't forget to put the spoon under the cup, then you get a drop of chocolate. Put a knot on it. Yes, you can.
So, ein Stück Schokolade. Comes for the ingredients, you pick what you want, put it inside, then you start. What is enough, it's for you, and then you take your plate, put it on the right side of the cooling gunner. It needs 5 minutes. And you pack with the shape directly in the back.
Great. Thank you.